unique keys.
चलो हाथ नहीं हिलाना, उल्टा ही ठंडा.
We can use index numbers, but it is not good for application. Performance issues will come. So, syntactically, how we do? We have an select in the binding expression data.map. You can read every item and index. So, and we have to return an option key. Roughly, I give an index. Value is item. Text is also item. Option. So you know this is shorthand way of returning any element. So sometimes people do one mistake. The mistake is map. When they are using map, you have item. So item and index. And they use a block like this. Inside the block, they write option. This is invalid. Inside the block, they write, so this is invalid. What is the meaning of this block with this symbol? It indicates that it is void. It is not written. You learned already arrow techniques I showed you. What is arrow techniques? This is function. This is written. And this is not written. What is it? It is an void with definition. It is not written. So you cannot use that curly brace block. This function parameterless or parameterized. It can have parameters inside. So how we can read elements and add? Presentation completely depends on your UI skills, means what you learned in HTML Bootstrap. It completely depends on those skills. Because, for example, if anyone asks, I want a nav bar, I want a toolbar, So how you define? So every item I want to display in a nav bar. So you know how to design nav bars. So that means suppose I am creating here a header. So in this header, so we are having class. So border 1, padding 2, margin 2. So we have a header above. We are having some header there. Inside the header, I am adding a span. This is like Amazon. Okay. So here you are having class font weight bold, font size is 5. That's Amazon. BI Amazon. Some symbol. Now here this is one division. We have another nav, and right side we are having another division. So BTN warning. So BI card phone. Like this we are having a button, and we are applying deflex. Deflex justify content between align item center. So that is display flex justify content between align items. Inside the nav bar, I am having categories, items, some nav items. Okay, let's say another constant nav items is equal to use state. It is an array. It is having like home, like shop, like offers, like some about, so like contact. Now what we want them as links here. So how do you configure a link in the nav bar? You need to read every item. So menu items. So what are those nav items? Dot what? Nav. Read every item and generate a span. Inside that, generate an anchor. Temporarily href I give an hash. Later we will keep. And here I am adding item. Now where should I add the key? To anchor or to span? Where should I add the key? To anchor or to span or to both? The repeating element is the both elements are repeating, but key is just required only for parent. That means here you need to set key, and key is item. And class MX4, that means it will have some gap. So text for anchor, I given class text decoration none. So it is just like without any underlines, it will display that and show. So we are repeating every item and displaying like a menu. We are displaying like a drop down. Suppose anything same. Suppose I want a menu toolbar. Every item should have a checkbox. Every item should be displayed like a checkbox. And you know, HTML don't have any checkbox list. Then, so every item need to be a checkbox. Okay, let's do. Here I am keeping an UL. This is an unordered list. Class. I give list group. So, and I am using W25, some width in this. We need here menu items. that is nav items dot map. Read every item. For every item, create a list item. This will have a key item. Every list item should display a value item, and every list item will have a class. List group item. This is list group item. So for this, for example, we are having a span. Okay, here list group item text, like this we are adding, and you can see it shows list group, but I want them like checkboxes. And list group item, suppose success I'm using, my is 2, that means it will have some gap. Home, shop, offers, about.